Hey everyone, so recently we have came up with a new functionality that is bulk edit and delete of buyer and supplier. So from very long time you guys were asking for the same, and now we have released this functionality. Let me show you how you can use this and how it will be helpful to you. Now, first of all, click on all modules and let's go to buyer and supplier module. Once I will come in buyer and supplier module, here on your right hand side, you will see there is an option of bulk action. Click on that. Now, earlier you used to see few options like upload using Excel. Now we have added few more like upload company address. This you can go ahead and add a new company address, upload company users, new company users in bulk. The limit is of 500. Edit company details in bulk, edit company address in bulk, edit company users. Similarly, delete option is provided in bulk. Again, the limit is 500. So now in this particular functionality, I will show you by editing an address of one of the company, which is already added. So here is the company of which I will be making changes. Airtech Solution, this is one dummy company which I have added. And here is my billing address. So you can see that currently the billing address is this. Now I want to change it. How I will be able to do the same? Let me show you. So you need to click on bulk action. Then you need to click on edit company address. Now here you will see an option of download template. Click on this and an Excel file with a proper template will get downloaded. You need to fill the data and then after upload it. I have already created a file. Let me show you. So this is a file which I have created. The very first is UUID. What exactly is UUID? This is a unique identification number for each and every company because there might be a possibility that two companies' name are matching. You might have saved it because of the address change. So in that case, use this UUID where you can get it. You will get it from your counterparty details report. Next is company name, billing address. You can select that exactly what you want to change, like billing address, delivery address, or both. I mentioned few of the details here, and then after what I will do, I will save this, go back, and here I will upload it. So network edit, I simply just uploaded it. Click on submit. Just a moment. I'm really sorry. It looked like I uploaded the wrong file. Hold on. Yeah. So let me re-upload it. So I will go here, edit company address, click on this, and then after address edit. Now I will submit. Please check upload successful, number of address edited 1. I will go to my company profile and please check. I simply just refreshed it and you can have a look. Each and every details have been changed. So this is how you can make the changes. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and edit or delete multiple company address at a single time using bulk upload. In case of any assistance, please reach us over support chat and we will be there to assist. Have a good day ahead.